It's your boy Chef Tay. We back at it again with another video. Alright, so today I'm making boneless chicken breast chopped up into like strips with a pot of rice, and we're gonna make some sauce to go with it. Alright, stay tuned, follow me. So we have garlic, and we have our rice over here. And so we're just gonna put the garlic in the rice like this. Trust me, my hands is clean, I washed them. And then we're going to fill a bowl up with water and make sure the rice is covered. Let that cook on highish, mediumish. Cleaning off our chicken breast. Cut anything off that you don't like or that you don't want to eat. Make sure you get all the fat off. So now we're gonna cut these into small sizes. With some seasonings. First off, I'm gonna use some olive oil. Thank you for coming to cook with me on today. See you next time.
Okay, let's go.